Yes, and this is our last session on Smart Up Your Life, Smart Listener. After we have a conversation about our topic, exploring the world, talking about exploring the world and the places that we want to visit in the next year or in the next future. And now, in the last session, my friends from BPC Makassar would like to share their knowledge, their vocabularies and expressions that you can use on your daily conversation. Well, who wants to start sharing the vocabularies or any idioms maybe? Ichal, please.
Okay, thank you. My idioms is I have an idioms that's called kick a habits. So it's mean like you stopping a habit. So if you like having a bad habits this year and you want to stopping it next year, then it's called kick a habit.
Kick a habit.
Yes.
Well, that's good. Next.
So thank you. I have one idiom that no pain no gain. So if you wanna achieve your goal, it's necessary to get hard work. Like don't just say I want to be like this, I want to be like this, but without by doing acting. You want dream, you want achieve your goal, and then do it. Don't just say it. Okay, only that.
Just do it.
Yeah, do it.
Don't only say it.
Yeah,
Okay, well.
only that. Only one.
Yuyun? Firda?
Okay, I have the idioms. So my hang in there, jangan pernah menyerah. So do everything that will be become better for you, better for do everything. Yeah, I think that's all.
Hang in
yeah,
there.
Yeah, hanging in there.
Hang in there. So, another one maybe? Oh, that's all. Well, Wahid?
Yes. I think my idiom is call on. It means visit.
Mm-hmm.
It visit to the another place. I think
Okay, so if we put in the sentence, you can call on
Call on.
to.
I call on to. I call on in Dubai to
Oh,
Dubai.
okay.
Call on Dubai like that.
Well, last from Yuyun?
It is if and broke, don't fix it. Like it's like to leave things the same. Like if I don't have any New Year's resolution, New Year's revolution, if it's and broke, don't fix it. It's like kayak jika tidak punya, misal ndak punya New Year's resolution, ya ndak usah, ndak apa-apa. Kayak jangan merubah sesuatu yang seharusnya.
Okay, so that's all. Thank you, guys. Well, before we close the program tonight, what is your mention one step that you've been doing right now to reach your dream to explore the world? Maybe.
I do okay. For what one step that I do that I'm doing right now is I'm learning English, of course. I want to communicate better so that I can survive in this another country, and I'm also like training my basic skills like maybe cooking, etc. If maybe I could work there in another country. In the point is that I need to survive in another country. We don't know what we need to do, so I need to prepare myself.
Okay, you have to learn about Japanese and also how to say French, yeah? Dafa?
So for me, one step is joining organization, especially English organization like BPC.
Okay.
So when you join a organization, so the senior will teach you how to like this, how to like that, and then the senior will train you how to be confident to other people.
Yes.
So that I need to increase my skill, and
Okay.
then, so I can survive in other country.
Well, Yuyun?
So right now, actually, I'm waiting about the information of scholarship. I've already make a application to go to Germany. If I apa jika diterima, if I accepted, probably next year I will be in Germany.
Oh, yes. Amin, amin, amin. Firda?
Okay,
What
actually, what I do right now is I move to my comfort zone. So yeah, I join another organization like BPEC right now. So and then I joined Kampus Mengajar. So yeah, what I do like that.
Okay, that's one your how to say the step that you've been doing right now. Move on from the comfort zone. Yeah, from the leye. From the okay, the last one, Wahid.
Okay, for the first, I want to learn about English, especially in speaking or grammar, and then I want to participate in English club like PPC, and then I want to learn about Islam. So because I want go to the Saudi Arabia or Yemen, so I want to learn about the Arabic language and the more advanced about Islam. Okay, I think it's for all.
Okay, mashallah. Well, who's the first person you call to join your journey?
Amin.
Who's the first person you call to accompany you?
Yeah, I think my my parents. My parents.
Okay,
My
Firda?
father, my-
Okay, I
Who
think
did
my
that?
parents also.
Yun?
The same parents.
Yeah, sure.
Parents is everything.
Yeah.
Your parents joining your study in Germany, yeah? Dafa?
Of course, my family.
Yes, all of your family member, yeah? Oh my god, that's a lot of people.
For me, I maybe not want to collect anyone. I want to solo. I want to solo traveling.
Oh my god.
I mean, I want to solo traveling. You know, I don't want to people to accompany me. That's why I'm like, I just want to be alone.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So I just want to solo. I think it's solo traveling. Want to be alone. Want to exploring myself also in that kind of pace of my life, because I think I need still to dig up myself.
Okay, well, that's all. Give applause, guys. Thank you so much for this great conversation and very fun conversation. And yes, we'll see you again next week. And so you too, smart listener, we'll see you again next week on Smart Up Your Life with another conversation and another friends from BPC Makassar. And yes, of course. So Rifa Majid signing out from this program. See you again next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.